Hello guys, good day. Hello guys, good day. Today I'm gonna show you the ocean view villa here at Great Stirrup, Bahamas, the Norwegian Cruise Line private island, and also their lagoon. So I'll give you a quick tour. So this is the front area, and this is the villa. So I'm here in the middle. So as you can see, it's like that. Okay, let's go to the front. Over there is the main beach. I'll make also a video on that area, but right now I'm gonna show you the ocean view villa and the lagoon. So this is the ocean view villa, and let's go to the lagoon. Okay, I'll give you a quick tour. Alright, there's a car coming. Alright, as you can see, the sun's still up. I think it's around like 7 o'clock in the afternoon right now. So that area is the buffet area for the lagoon guest and the ocean view villa. So I'm gonna give you a quick tour. Oh no, we might get wet. No, it's good. Over there on that area, that is the spa. The zip line. So that's the restaurant in the Silver Cove I'm talking about. That's the buffet area where the guests of Ocean View Villa and the Lagoon Villa, where they can eat. Hello my friend. It's so nice here guys, so I'll suggest go on board Norwegian Cruise Line and come to Great Stirrup, Bahamas. So that's the area. Alright, so this area is the lagoon, and a beautiful lagoon here at the Great Stirrup, Bahamas. As you can see, sun is still up. It's almost like 7:30 in the afternoon. So that is the swim. Let me zoom for you guys. You see it? Great Stirrup. Alright, so that area is the spa. Let me show you the reception before you enter the lagoon. That area over there, that building. Oh, where's my hands? Okay, that area over there. Alright, let's go here. So that's the spa area. So let's walk to the seaside of the lagoon. Alright. Alright, we're here. This is the beautiful swing that I'm talking about. Alright, let's go this side. Oh no. There is also a platform in the middle. I don't think if you can see it, guys. Where is it? Oh yeah, that's it. That one. Over there. So the one that I told you, the reception area, that building, but we are at the back right now. So yeah, that's it. It's so nice here, guys. So I suggest come on board Norwegian Cruise Line and visit Great Stirrup Key, Bahamas, the Norwegian Cruise Line private island here in Bahamas. All right. Let's take a walk on the pathway. This villa. This villa is a big ones. Over there is the small ones. Same with almost the same with the ocean view villa. Okay, I'll give you a quick tour. Quick look. All right. So this bar is the Moet and Chandon bar. There's another bar over there, the gazebo, but we don't go there right now. I'm gonna stop the video by the bridge. So here's another villa here at the lagoon. It's almost the same with the lagoon, I mean the ocean view villa. So I will end the video right here right now. So come and visit, come on board Norwegian Cruise Line and visit Great Stirrup Key, Bahamas. So see you here when you come. Bye.